Hello and welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Applied Visual Design section. This is adjust the height of an element using the height property. You can specify the height of an element using the height property in CSS, similar to the width property. Here's an example that changes the height of an image to 20 pixels. We have image, height, we give it the value 20 pixels. Here it says add a height property to the H4 tag and set it to 25 pixels. So we can go here and let's see that H4, which is here. We could either apply it directly inline, or we can use this, which they already have there. And we are doing a height of 25 pixels. Not much of a difference. Let's see, 250. We could actually also inspect this. If you guys press right click, inspect, you should see this here with a height 250 pixels, which is the H4, which we see here. So let's leave that at 25 and run test. We did pass. The important thing to learn from here is height. Just like width, we can choose the height of our element, and it also uses pixels, percentages, ems, rems. We'll use them more in the next lessons. Here, just understand height. We can go to our paragraph, same thing, give it a height. Give this one 100 pixels. Doesn't seem like any difference, but now there is that difference. As long as you guys play with that, width and height, see some examples online, you guys will better understand it. But that was this lesson. I'll see you guys on the next one.